14 minutes of high intensity interval cardio and damn, you're ready to start your day. What's up family, my name is Saurav Singh. Welcome back to Target Aesthetics. Aesthetics mean beauty, and the motto of my channel is to bring out the best version of yourself, whether it be fitness, be it lifestyle or be it nutrition. So guys, today is cardio day. Without wasting time, let's bang on. But prior to that, I would like to notify you people that I am uploading some fitness, lifestyle, nutrition related content in my YouTube channel Target Aesthetics, and feel free to subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular updates from my channel, where I will be uploading some crazy, efficient, effective and smart tips and tricks about fitness, lifestyle and nutrition. So guys, let's bang on.
So guys, as you can see, the first exercise in my list is running. So I will run for 1 minute total, and according to HIIT training I will perform the running activity. That is, the first 40 seconds I will run with low intensity and the last 20 seconds I will run with high intensity. So what is HIIT? Different anaerobic exercises at high intensity level for short periods of time, followed by a slower rest period, is HIIT. High intensity is for metabolism boost, while low intensity period is for recovering for the next row. Running in place can be a simple solution when the weather outside is frightful, or in this present lockdown situation you just don't have access to a safe route. Put some effort into it and you will definitely burn some calories and increase your heart rate too. This energy output can be used to boost heart health and help you lose weight. So guys, second exercise in my list is skipping without ropes, or if you have ropes then it would be much convenient. So I will also perform this exercise according to HIIT. The first 40 seconds, first of all I will do it for 1 minute, and the first 40 seconds I will do it with the low intensity, and the last 20 seconds I will do it with a high intensity. So the most asked question, is skipping without a rope effective? Jumping without a rope also reduces weight just like jumping over a rope does. Yet it is not as effective as jumping over a rope. If you cannot jump over a rope, you can still jump without it. It keeps the body heat, which is vital in weight loss, mostly when jumping without a rope. Guys, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I post regular updates over there. So guys, the next workout in my list is burpees. Burpees make your body a fat burning machine. That's because since burpees are an intense full body exercise, they turn a ton of calories. So if you want to lose weight, ditch the recumbent bike and elliptical machine and do some burpees instead. The burpee is a fully body strength training exercise. With each repetition you will work your chest, arms, front deltoids, hamstrings and abs. Guys, now you can take 30 seconds rest and again repeat round 1 and again take 30 seconds rest. After that you can start with round 2 and follow the same procedure for round 2 even. So guys, the next exercise is high knees, basically the fourth exercise. Stand up straight and place your feet about hip width apart. Place your hands palms down facing the floor, hovering just above your belly button. Quickly drive your right knee up to meet your right hand. Bring the same leg back to the ground immediately. Bring the left knee coming up to meet your left hand. High knees are a cardio intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. It engages your core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, gets your heart rate up and improves momentum, coordination and flexibility. Because of the many physical benefits, high knees are incorporated into a wide variety of workouts. So as you can see, this workout I am also doing for 1 minute. The first 40 seconds with low intensity and the rest 20 seconds with a moderate to high intensity, following the HIIT rule. So guys, the next workout in my list is squat jumps or jumping squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start by doing a regular squat. Engage your core and jump up explosively. When you land, lower your body back into the squat position to complete 1 rep. Make sure you land with your entire foot on the ground. be sure to land as quietly as possible, which requires control. So guys, we will do this workout also for 1 minute. According to high intensity interval training, the first 40 seconds we'll do with low intensity, while the rest 20 seconds we'll do with a moderate to high intensity, which will give us result at a faster rate of time. Mountain climbers, we'll do it for 30 seconds. Get into a plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged and head in alignment. Pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can, then switch, pulling that knee out and bringing the other knee in, keeping your hips down. Run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. So guys, again take 30 seconds rest and again repeat round 2, and after that take 30 seconds rest and start with round 3. Guys, in round 3 the first exercise is inside out. The position will be similar as mountain climbers. All you have to do is to place the foot just about touching to each other and bend your knees with your foot and place it inside just before touching your chest, and then move both of the foot out and then again bring it in and again go back to the initial position from where you have started. It is very beneficial exercise. We will do it for 1 minute, and doing it for 1 minute I can think so it will bring a lot of improvement in your body and even your heartbeats, and in fact your cardio balance will be maintained, and weight loss, while talking about fat loss, it will be of a huge amount. So guys, as you can see, your chest, del, core, even hamstrings are getting impacted due to this workout. So guys, it is very beneficial for your body. After resting for 30 seconds, you will do lunges. A lunge is a body weight exercise that works your hips, glutes, quads, hamstrings and core, and the hard to reach muscles of your inner thighs. Lunges can help you develop lower body strength and endurance. They are also a great beginner move. Lunges provide one of the most effective lower body strength training exercises out there. But that doesn't mean you should be doing 50 at a time. For most healthy adults, a single set of 8 to 12 repetitions per leg suffices, adding weights as needed to increase the challenge.